You're watching Lime TV.
Trinidad and Tobago Carnival. All Stars, the band that's been in existence for 75 years. And we have always been coming with this mass, sailors. And the sailor band is growing in existence. We returned from the United States and Europe to play this band every year.
We are the forces that were taking any problem that the rest of the unit have. We got special people to do all sorts of diving, jumping, helicopters and all that other stuff. Special doctors, nurses and everything. Special force. We are all special people. We're not ordinary people, we're special in the forces.
This is one of the great traditions of Carnival, and we always play. You have members here who have been playing with this band now for the 50 years, from youth. I've been playing now for 12 years, and it's my intention once in my life to continue playing with this band. This is one of the greatest bands in terms of normal people, regular people, middle-aged people, and the elderly. And you can come and enjoy this at any time. This is one of the miracles of Trinidad and Tobago Carnival. Come and join with us anytime you feel like.